This is NOAA Weather Radio WXL 96 162.550 MHz, serving Salem and the greater central Willamette Valley area. Here is the evening weather forecast from the National Weather Service. 5 p.m., 57 degrees. Northward winds at about 45 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation, 70%. 6 p.m., 54 degrees. North-northeast winds at about 60 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation, 90%. 7 p.m., 50... The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado watch for portions of western Oregon. This includes the following counties: Lane County, Benton County, Lynn County, Polk County, Marion County, Yamhill County, Clackamas County, Multnomah County, and Washington County. Effective until 2 a.m. on Saturday, November 4th, a tornado watch means that weather conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including thunderstorms, hailstorms, and tornadoes in and close to the watch area. Residents in the mentioned counties of western Oregon must be on alert for developing patterns. Listen for later weather statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to a NOAA Weather Radio, local television or radio outlet, or internet sources to receive up-to-date weather information. Tornado emergency for Salem. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado warning for eastern Polk County in western Oregon, western Marion County in western Oregon, until 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:57 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a confirmed large tornado was located 3 miles southeast of Independence, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the city of Salem and surrounding areas. Take cover now. Hazard: large and destructive tornado. Source: trained meteorologists spotted a tornadic vortex on radar. Impact: this is a life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Flying debris may be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be completely destroyed. Severe damage to homes, vehicles, and businesses is likely, and complete destruction of neighborhoods is possible. Expect scattered debris, uprooted trees, and extensive damage to utilities, including electricity, in the impacted areas. Low visibility is present due to heavy precipitation, making it difficult to spot a tornado with the naked eye. Take cover in the safest area of your residence, preferably a basement. If you don't have a basement, move to the innermost room on the lowest floor of your present location. If you are driving, pull over and exit your vehicle to a ditch or locate a sturdy building and proceed to seek shelter there. Locations impacted include Independence, Salem, Sunny Slope, Fayrite, Morningside, Southeast Salem, East Lancaster, North Lancaster, Four Corners, and Hayesville. To repeat, a confirmed large and destructive tornado is on the ground moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the city of Salem. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: Polk and Marion.
is 7:30 in the evening right now, and we keep getting reports of major damage all across the area after the devastating tornado passed through 30 minutes ago. From what we know currently, there is potentially large amounts of destruction in the neighborhoods of Sunny Slope, Fayrights, Southeast Salem, and Four Corners. According to the Doppler radar record from the National Weather Service, wind speeds may have exceeded at around 200 miles per hour. We will now go to Richard Codman, who is reporting live in Sunny Slope right now. Richard, can you describe what has happened there?
Brian, I am currently standing east of Skyline Road. I have never seen a magnitude of destruction like this in my life. I had to take a few minutes to even comprehend the damage that took place here. The entire neighborhood east of me is just gone. You can't even tell what street you're in because the rubble is piled up all around here. Rescue operations are beginning to work overnight, desperate to find any injured survivors. Those who've been recovered hurt are being transported to medical centers, while others have the newly set up emergency shelters across the city. I want to, for a moment, take a moment to pray for those who are trapped beneath the debris. From Statistical, back to you.
Thanks, Richard. And I agree with you. God help those people. We will now switch over to Ashley Tyler, who is present at Four Corners on our news chopper. Ashley, what can you see there?
Brian, as Richard said, the entire neighborhood is destroyed. You can see piles of rubble in these commercial and residential buildings down here. But one particular building I want to talk about is the Willamette Town Center Mall. Turn the camera, look at this. It's destroyed. There are large amounts of debris and rubble scattered around the place. This place suffered a direct hit from the twisters. Cars were tossed around like toys, the roof is non-existent. Emergency personnel have been dispatched to the area to rescue people as much as possible. It is gut-wrenching to think that there are people, families, loved ones who had their lives built throughout the years, only to be destroyed in a matter of seconds. Now it is time for us, as a city, to come together and help each other. Over to you, Brian.
Thank you, Ashley. Just moments ago, the governor, who was present at the state capitol building during the tornado, will address the state as soon as possible, although it is unknown exactly when. However, the mayor and the Marion County Sheriff has sent out condolences and promised to support everyone affected by this terrifying tornado. November 3rd will be the day Oregonians will not forget for generations to come.